just in case the battery runs out, if for some reason the engine breaks or something. So in the back here, in the boat, I've got these paddles. They are right on the back of the seat on the wall, and they're all clipped up. So if there's an emergency or something happens, we got that. This is how they come out. It's two of them, and there's an extender, so it could become one really long pole or one. What do you call it, Pat? What do you call it? What do you call this, Pat? What is it? Is it a shovel? Is it
a paddle or a hoe?
a pizza shovel? This is how they take pizza off the oven. You know, the Italians, they do those things. So this is how it comes off. There you go. There you go, Pat. So,
Look at that.
ah! So we got two of these, and they are just there in case of emergency. We have never used them, did we? No, maybe once. But yeah.
Only when it sank.
Well, that's there. I thought I would show you this, guys, and see what you think. So I'll just put them back on.
Right, come here. Pass me that. No, pass me that.
There you go. Oh, careful.
Pass you that, Bob.
So, okay.
Okay, take two. Where's it going, Bob?
Am I in the middle of the screen?
There, isn't it?
Am I in the screen?
There you go, Bob.
So we got two of
There
these.
you go.
I'll just show you where they go, Pat.
Go on.
I want you to.
Let's put it on.
Can you see me where I'm putting them on, Pat? So they go just like that,
Nice and easy.
and they just
There we go.
click.
How easy was that,
They
Bob?
just click there. So the other one goes the other way, and
Stay there.
they are there.
Stay there. Let me see you looking this way. Now, Bob, that's a better view. Take them off.
Okay. There you go. This
How
is.
easy is that?
This is how they go in and out.
See?
Now,
Now, if all fails,
emergency paddles.
two batteries fail, you've got one battery that gets you what? 4 hours.
4 hours in the
Two
battery, yeah.
batteries, 8 hours.
Yeah.
One DeWalt battery, 20 minutes.
Yeah. So we
Half an hour, depending.
got a whole day.
Yeah. So now, failing all that, right? Failing all that, Bob.
You got all day on paddles if you have
Two
to.
hours, and that's how you're coming back if you've had a drink.
Well, so with that on, all we're gonna do is just put the light boat on the back and hit the road.
Yeah. Show them the radio, Bob. Let's have
Well,
a look at this.
It's
But it's following you, Bob. How would you take that off there again like that? Is it that?
oh.
Oh, no. Okay, now I can't see a thing.
Well, I can see the boat. I can see myself. So that's the day wrapped up. We're going to do another video in the future, and then hopefully we can show
What are you
it.
going to do in the future?
Another video. Oh, the next project is going to be an airplane.
Okay.
We're going to build that, and we're going to be in the air.
Wings on this.
We're going to put a couple of wings, yes. But yeah, please, if we've done something wrong, something that you think could be improved, please let us know down in the comments.
Yes.
And
A V8 engine on the back.
that's for sure. Yeah, and we're going to work out how we can improve this boat, and we'll just make another one if we have
What's
to.
this space? Work in progress.
Work in
Bob,
progress.
What's the boat called?
The boat is called Impact.
Why is it called Impact?
It was in my mind for a couple of decades before I built it.
Tell the truth, Bob. We bounced off that many canal boats. Coming back from the pub.
Well, we call it Impact
Can
because
you drink and float?
I think you
You
can.
float when you drink.
I think there's no rules about that. You can do
I'm
as
sure
much.
there is, Bob. Don't say that.
Well, what is it? A couple of beers? Is that all right?
Oh yeah.
The car is probably a problem, but are we bothered? But no.
No, we get the compass out. We go by the moon. However that
Right, catch you up in a minute, and please subscribe. It's important for me.
What are you saying, Bob? Subscribe to who?
Subscribe to my channel. It helps me to develop it further, make more videos for you guys, and
Right,
hopefully.
you're doing a 360. I've been a drone for you.
Should I get the drone up in the air?
There you go.
I can see it.
Easy.
Catch you up later. See ya.